Do you feel like your life is boring and you are stuck in same routine every day? You think you need extraordinary moments to romanticize your life? But here's the truth. Romanticizing life is not waiting for big moments. It's about finding beauty and joy in everyday moments. So, if you want to romanticize your life like the main characters in the movies, then this video is for you. Create a morning and a night routine. You have to keep it very simple. For example, I just keep things that energize me for the rest of the day, and for night routine I keep something that calms me so I can go to bed like with a calm mind and wake up next day. Whenever I go to sleep, this journal is always behind me, and when I wake up, I just grab this and my pen and plan my day. I even did it today, and then I just instantly wakes up early, it's just a cue to my brain that you have to wake up. So after that, I listen to my playlist. Like, I have created a morning playlist filled with happy songs, Ghibli music, and everything like this. And when I wake up, I just put that playlist on after planning my day and just get ready for the day for myself, and that just energizes me so much for the rest of the day. So you can create things like this for yourself. Hobbies is one of the best way to romanticize your life. So do take some time to focus on your hobbies and give more time to them. Then you will realize life is not just about scrolling on your phone. Next is creating vision boards or mood boards for the things you feel demotivated to do. So basically, I used to feel so demotivated to start reading. Like, I was like, I better scroll on my phone than reading few pages of a book. And then I went to Pinterest and just searched for reading, and then I made a mood board for that, and I just feel so motivated to start reading. You can also make it for like the seasons you hate. For example, I don't like winters that much. Yeah, and spring is my favorite season. So I was like, once spring comes, life will be good. Once summer comes, life will be good. But then I went to Pinterest. I searched for pictures that are romanticizing winters, like making a cup of coffee, just rolling up in your blanket and reading a book. And now I'm romanticizing winters too. Create playlists for different occasions. For example, like I told you guys, I have that morning playlist that just energizes me for rest of my day. Just like that, you can turn simple movements into big occasions. Like, for example, I have a cooking playlist where I have put it all the Ghibli music, and whenever I go and cook something, I just put that playlist on and I am feeling like a Ghibli character. And just like that, you can create playlists for studying. Like, for studying, I have those Dark Academia playlists that you can find on Spotify and YouTube too. I also make playlists for different seasons. This is one of the best things that I have done. Like, I have summer playlist, spring playlist, autumn playlist, and winter playlist. You guys can try this. This will just help you so much in romanticizing your life. Watch shows and movies that helps you romanticize your life. Now this is also one of the best thing that I have done. There are so many movies that just teach you to be present in your life and romanticize small moments, so you guys can watch that. Whenever I'm having a bad day, I just go and watch a Ghibli movie. How many times I'm going to mention Ghibli in this one video? I love Studio Ghibli, guys. Okay, so you guys can watch lots of Ghibli movies. Like, they help so much in staying present, and Ghibli movies romanticize small moments of life, and you will just feel so good. I have so many movies recommendations and like shows recommendation that I will put down in my description, and you guys can check it out. Actually, please check it out. They are so good. You guys can also watch your favorite childhood movies again. Like, this is just so magical when you watch your favorite childhood movies again as a teenager or adult. You guys can watch Disney movies again. They are just so, like, positive. Yeah. Decorate your room with things you like and the things that reflects your personality. Like we just talked about movies. In movies, characters have their room that just reflects their personality, their hobbies, their dreams. So You guys can do some simple things like print posters that reflects your personality, and you can keep things that you are interested in. Like I have these Pokemon plushies in my room. You guys can see. I will collect more. You can also print a vision board, like make a vision board of your dreams. Also, you can keep photos of your dream places. One of the best way to decorate your room in less money is printing stuff. This is what I have done till now. And you just don't need to do it like in a single day. Like you can take your time and do it little by little, and now you will have your dream room. Go out of your home. Have you seen a character sitting in their room, in their bed, scrolling on their phone whole day and then complaining why nothing happens in my life? So why you are doing this? Go out even if it's a small walk in a park, going out with your friends or just grocery shopping. Just get out of your house, please. Okay, I need to get out of my house too, by the way. Document your life. You guys can document your life even if you are not posting it somewhere. Like just make a cute video when you go out with your friends, take lots of photos, document your daily routine. Don't just keep it to your phone only. You can also document your life by using journals. Write about your days, do scrapbooking, like just document your life. Once you will get older, even a year later, when you will read those pages, see those videos, you will see like you have actually lived. You will just feel so good when you will watch those videos again. Make rituals for yourself. It can be as simple as going to terrace daily to capture sunset and watch sunset. You guys can do like just you can do anything. I have seen this video on Instagram where this girl names her skincare product into like potions name, and she just feels like whenever she applies it, it's working on her. So you guys can just make small rituals for yourself. Be grateful. Now, this is what most of the people forget. Be grateful for small things in your life. When you start noticing things around you, like small moments that makes you happy, you will just notice more and more of them. So, start to be grateful of things around you. Write about things you are grateful for. You can do this every night or like every week. And yes, I have also seen one of this thing going viral on internet. You guys can create a small jar for yourself in which whenever you have a good moment, you will just cut out a small slip, write that moment and just fold it and put it in that jar, and when the year ends you will just open that jar and see everything that happened with you.